At the beginning, I want to give you some strict instructions. Look, brother, you are all in the danger zone now. If you don't want to cry 5 or 10 years from now or regret your failures for the rest of your life, don't want to lose your happiness, then change yourself. Bring out the best version of yourself. Today, I will tell you 7 ways to bring out the best version of yourself, which maybe no one has told you till now. Well, tell me one thing. Is there anyone among you who hasn't seen a Nokia phone or heard about it? 15 to 20 years ago, everyone had this phone in their home. Even today, people know about this phone and it is still very famous. But even then, their business has stopped. Now, no one even talks about this phone or wants to buy it. So think about one thing. Who was once the king of the mobile world, but after a decade, people don't even talk about it or use it? Then you and I haven't become something like that yet. Believe me, friends, not only girls, but everyone in this world seeks the best from the best. So if you want to live your life happily, peacefully, and well, then start changing yourself from today. A few days ago, I made many videos about changing yourself, but today I will tell you something different. Today I will teach you how to become the best version of yourself. After watching this video, you will change so much, you will become so good that everyone in the world will look at you and say, "Well, are you that person? No, this cannot be." Look, I am telling you, if you are the best, different from everyone, then you will always be happy. Otherwise, you will continue to be rejected by everyone in the world, and you will live a life full of turmoil. So come on, friends, let's find out how to bring out the best version of yourself and how to quickly take your life to a higher level. Let's start. Look, you cannot write a new or beautiful version of yourself on paper if the paper is already full of writing. What I mean by now, maybe you understand. Yes, you have to erase your past. No matter how you were before, whether you were good or bad in studies, stupid or clever, your past was very bad or very good. Whatever it was, it is now the past, and it can only disturb your present, nothing else. So without destroying your present, erase what happened to you in the past. Earlier, you had a very healthy and fit body, but now you have become fat. It does not matter. But how you will make your body fit again, it matters. And as long as this old past keeps revolving inside your head, it will only disturb your present. So erase your past from your life. Look, brother, if you change your mindset, then think that you have changed everything. And if you do not change it, then even if you change everything, you will not change anything. This means that even in the palace, you will remain a poor if you do not change your thinking. You have to update your mindset with time. Till yesterday, you thought that studying was so difficult. And today, you are thinking how I will complete 40% of my syllabus within this month. This is the change in your mindset that will update you to a better version of yourself in the future. Till yesterday, you thought, who will wake up so early? It will not be me. And today you are thinking that tomorrow you have to wake up at 5 in the morning, so set 4 or 5 alarms. And if tomorrow you can wake up at 6 instead of 5, then congratulations, friend, you have achieved a big victory. So to change yourself, you have to change your mindset. Start erasing your mistakes from your life. Look, friend, there is a big difference between making mistakes and being wrong. If someone stumbles while walking, then it was his mistake, which is likely to not happen for a long time to come. But if someone hurts his foot on his own, then it is his mistake. This is a different matter, because it is not in the hands of any human being to erase such mistakes completely. But when we keep making mistakes and don't try to understand them, then they get stuck in our body as a big flaw. As a result, we can't overcome this flaw and move forward, and we fall far behind. So do one thing. Write down on paper what flaws you have. Maybe you sleep too much, you cry too much, you make excuses too much, or you scream too much and get scared, study less. All such flaws you have to erase them from your life one by one. Because by doing this, the road ahead of you will become straight, and it will become much easier to emerge as a new person. Look, 4 bad friends or people are enough to destroy a person. In the same way, a bad person can come back to the good path if he wants to, if his circle is good. That's why I keep saying again and again, give him good company, be with good people. But think about one thing. Why would 4 good people give a bad person a place in their circle? They will give him a place only when they see a change in him. If you follow the above steps, a person will change. And the thing that will help him the most at this time is a good circle. Being in a better circle will do two things. First, you will get an inspiration to be better and a competition, which will have a big hand in your progress to be better. Second, you will never go down a bad path again. That is why being in a better circle will benefit you a lot. If you want to change yourself a lot and do it very quickly, then do one thing. Never compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yourself. And when you go to bed at night, compare today with yesterday. No matter how bad or ruined a person is, at the end of the day, he will also realize how ruined he is. No matter what you do all day, when you go to bed at night, you will compare your day with yesterday. And this comparison should be taken seriously, that I will be one step better than I was yesterday, but not less than that. No matter what yesterday's cricket match or competition or exam yesterday's was, tomorrow I will be one step better than that, but it cannot be worse than that. If you can carry on with this attitude every day, then every day you will feel like you have updated to a better version of yourself. So from today, start comparing today with yesterday. As a result, you will see that a lot of changes have come in you within a few days. Look, this step is one of my favorite steps, because I have made many videos about this step, and all the videos have been watched by millions of people and have received thousands of comments. And they have told me that following this step has changed their lives a lot. I have a good idea about this step, but even then, I will add a separate part about this step in this video. This difficult mission of the next 21 days will become straightforward for you for the next 90 days. So you have to do something that's some quality, some ability that you want to update in yourself. For example, you want to bring a physical update in you, you want to acquire any skill, or you want to update computer, technical, and communication skills. You want to update your small ability to a big ability. Then you start practicing that for the next 21 days. If you skip one day in these 21 days, then you have to start again. And yes, if you can maintain the practice for 21 days at a time, then you can continue it for the next 90 days. Because in these 21 days, your body and your mind will adapt to it. So incorporate the 21/90-day rule into your life. And if you want to be inspired from within, want to learn more about the 21/90-day rule, then let me know in the comments if I should make a detailed video on this topic on my channel. Just ask for this one thing, then many of your problems will be solved. People who have the habit of talking a lot and chatting unnecessarily, it leading them to the path of destruction. So if you want to make yourself a new and much better person, then become silent. Becoming silent does not mean that you sit with a tape on your mouth. You should speak as much as you need to say, so that unnecessary chatter does not put extra pressure on your head. Besides, your attention should be very strong. This is a quality that is above all. When you focus on today, on your work, then no obstacle can stop you. Your work will be automatic. Therefore, keep yourself calm and focus on your work. Friends, the people who have grown up today have brought changes in themselves. They were like before. Later, they brought new things into themselves and became successful in life. Changing yourself is not a very difficult task, but people do not know how to change, how to do better. Now, after watching this video, you will know it. So follow the steps mentioned in this video for just a few weeks. Then you will see that you will change yourself so much that people will be surprised to see you. I hope this video will change the future paths of your life. And if you like the video, then definitely like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.